Or you're sure about it?
Yeah, see my
This is
voice.
getting boring.
I drank cold water, so.
Ha? Oh, sige, may hinala na daw si Police.
Edward.
Ha?
No.
No.
Namatay siya kanina. Alam mo sino?
My eyes are like
Siyang din picture niya.
My eyes are like moons.
Pero siyang healer. Choose me as the police we're gonna have.
Hindi kasi hindi mo makikita na nag-blink siya kasi singkit.
Pwede president ako kasi magtataiyak.
Okay, sinong healer?
Me.
Ang galing niya mag-healer ganun. Parang hindi kita dito.
Kasi nga alam niya yung killer. Here you go! The city slips. Yung...
Dito na ako.
Mamaya,
Wait lang.
dito ka dyan.
yung
Para
akin.
makita.
Sige na, the city sleeps like right now. Sleeping pills. Hindi kumakanta si President. President!
Bayang mali.
Maliit ah. Bayang maliit.
Huwag yan.
You and I could be like the sun and the share, the honey, the bells of who. 'Cause you and I could be like a light in its jasmine. Let's make it happen. La 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 la.
City awaken.
Hey, it's
I
been
just met
5
you.
years since our special day.
Good luck, police. You're looking at me like... Di malibang sa tuwa.
I'm dead.
Don't you remember you told me you loved me, baby?
Remember days
I remember the days
when you with me. Not the same which company.
I'm dead.
1, 2, 2, 1.
I'm alive again.
Ang cute. I'm alive.
Ay, namatay ka ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko narinig sinabi. I'm alive again. Good luck nga naman.
Oh.
I'm dead. Oh, wala na yung ano ko.
What?
Yay!
Wait, who is the killer, guys?
I'm the killer.
She's the killer.
No, she.
You're the police, Beshi!
I was wrong? Yeah, police ka
Because you're the...
Sakit ka. Patay na. Nag-blink ka sa kanya. Galing. Healer.
Oo, siya yung
Ikaw
healer.
He's
I thought
cute.
you were kisses. Siya yung healer.
I healed 3 people, man. I'm like,
Blink kita, ganyan.
he said like this. Sorry, that's my
He did like this. Sira yung isang mata niya. Haluga yung isang tornilyo, kaya mas mabigat yung paghulog ng kabila.
Yeah, sorry, that's my delayed eye blinking.
Hindi kasi
thing,
siguro
sorry.
diba ang saya nung game, nakakalito talaga. Tama na to, okay. Kasi sabi ko, bakit nag-blink sa akin to? Oh, shoot. Okay, so, ikaw dapat yung police.
Stupid.
Kisses will be the president. Si Heaven, si Heaven. Go! The city sleeps.
Kanta ka habang Don't you forget about me.
What's your name again?
As you walk on by,
I'm running.
will you call my name?
No, I'll call the police.
As you walk on by,
I call the healer.
do you call my name?
Towards the dragon.
I said, hey, na 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 na. I'm loving you tonight, doing everything tonight. Okay, the city.
Awakens. We might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Up, 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 po, po,
Find
po.
somebody sexy, tell her.
Hey, give me
It looks in the mirror.
Ulit. Sa police.
Police, police ears, shoulder is the healer, head is the killer.
Killer.
Tama na ano mo, Besh?
Hindi siya naman kumalabit.
Kaya kahit naman mali yung okay lang.
Kahit mali yung iniisip niya.
I'm dead.
Ich bin tot. I'm dead.
Wala na.
I love being dead. It's fun.
This is my police.
Sabi ko sa kanya,
Si Yang
Go.
yung
Okay. The city sleeps. Kanta yung!
masaya kung kill,
No,
kill,
kanta.
kill, kill agad.
mabilis.
Mabilis.
Kung nakatingin kayo lahat.
Sayang ngiti.
Kumiyak.
Yung naulan na.
Signal number 1 na yun yung. You're gonna miss
Sige na. Ano?
The city awakens. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. And I sure would like
Marco,
some
no one
cigar
farted. You don't have to.
And I'm wondering more what do you say
I'm dead.
when
Oh wait, no. Wait. Wait, I messed up. I blinked and I wasn't.
Okay, never mind. He's still alive.
Alive.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
I'm dead.
You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss
After.
me everywhere. Oh, I'm sure you're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
When?
I'm gone.
Kasi after my Chelsea Vibery, nagkagulat.
Oh, they scared each other.
Is the killer.
May task na.
Pulis ka?
Sabi ni
May task na.
Oh no, what?
Budget.
What?
May budget na tayo eh.
Task.
Fivery.
Okay, what is that?
Oh
Lucky
my
task.
God.
Lucky.
So,
So, yes, oh my God.
Stay at the boys' bedroom. And wala muna lalabas pag walang sinabi si Kuya.
Oh my God.
Lahat?
Ayusin to. Lahat boys bedroom?
Yep. Everyone.
Okay, good
No!
Ay, tama nga, panic room.
Yun na nga. No!
Oh no, Wait, please, wag muna, please. Mas maganda to ganito malaki.
You're gonna miss me by my head. You're gonna miss me every
So, lagi sa'yo. Guys, this should be on the pool.
Sabihin mo kay
Bawal.
Kuya.
Moving up. No, I mean something like this on the pool. Wow. On the float.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Dito tayo magkano?
Wala gonna miss me ba? You're gonna miss me.
So, babasahin. I'm gonna read our task.
My
Fifth
God.
lucky task.
Yeah, obviously. Housemates. Ba't maganda si Mayroon?
Para sa inyong fifth lucky task, kailangan ninyong magtayo ng isang salon business.
Ha?
Salon?
Kaya tayo hindi mag-haircut!
Kailangan ninyong matutunan at mabigay ang mga salon services na there are 5. 1. Hairstyling. 2. Foot and hand spa. Massage included. 3.
Yung.
Makeup. 4. Hot oil or hair spa. 5. Cleaning, manicure, or pedicure.
Haircut.
And or
Haircut.
pedicure. Oh my God!
Yo, my name is Barbara.
No,
Okay, you
let me
leave the
finish.
haircut to me, man.
Para magwagi sa inyong fifth lucky task, kailangan ninyong makalikom ng 20,000 pesos na kita mula sa inyong salon business na magbubukas sa takdang panahon. Kayo rin ang mag-iisip kung papaano manghihikayat ng mga tao para pumunta sa
Okay, boys, barbers, tayong tatlo.
So, yeah.
And then we're
massage
gonna have a
people.
business, and it's salon.
Yeah.
We'll be the ones who's
Pedicure,
gonna
manicure.
Tayo
get
tatlo
people.
barbers.
And then we have to
No.
get 20,000.
20,000.
Sinong stylist?
Wow.
So,
I'm gonna be like
Anything, wait.
one of
Massage,
your-
We have a salon.
we will have a salon
Where?
business.
Kasi
Maybe
walang
in the Bangkali area or
Pero,
depends.
Maybe outside.
Para saan yung board?
maybe.
Guys,
Kinig, makinig.
The planning.
Okay, planning.
No, I was kidding. I can't cut
Don't,
hair. I can't cut hair.
Don't
So, like,
I mean, you can sit, but
But like, maybe I can like give him my phone number. And maybe
I
that.
can cut a hair.
Me too.
Just kidding.
hairstyling, who's assigning?
Oh, I'll do the wax. I can do wax.
hairstyling, I can do the cutting.
I can do the styling with wax.
Of
Massage.
girls, there should be like a boy, a girl, or
Oh,
two boys,
me-
two girls.
Wait,
Boy.
what do you mean by hairstyling?
Like if it's
Styling
like
or
No.
cutting?
You don't know.
Hindi, kasi
Everything, everything.
I know how to make yung mga slashes ganon. Tsaka yung mga dash and the haircut.
Ako alam ko paano yung...
I can make them bald.
Manicure, pedicure, marunong rin ako.
Lol. Hindi ako.
Kawawa
Masusunod
mo.
ka.
Yung
Massage.
ingrown.
Yeah, I can massage.
Sa girl.
Sino naman sa girls hairstyle?
Me.
Christine.
Si Ivory.
Oh, Ivory.
Ah, Christine.
Hindi ko
Tapos
alam.
si Ate Mai.
Ano
Wait,
siya?
let's-
Cut. Marunong ako mag-cut.
Mani pedi.
Kasi naturuan ako ng ano ko before.
Mani pedi. Ano?
Wait, let's,
Ah.
ano pa? Ate Mai Mai.
Di ba dito ka? Nung
Hindi,
puksong.
ano?
Pero sabay tayo lahat. Yes! Gitna si mama.
Hairstyle.
Ano yun
Our room is way
Styling di.
Ano mga ganyan?
Cut na yan?
Ganun.
Uy, cut na yan?
Oo.
Cutting lang man yung alam ko, hindi ano.
Yeah,
kasi may
kulot-kulot.
barbershop.
Oh, it's okay pag may assign sa cutting, may assign sa yung braid, hairstyle.
Okay, yung bread. Sa kanya lang.
Yeah.
Sa kanya yung mag-straight, kulot. Tsaka yung mga everything and everything and everything.
Everything. Everything.
Si Edward marunong sa hairstyling. Kasi, from the,
I can
Basta
wax.
marunong ako
Bro,
I've
never cut hair in my life. I only cut my hair when my sister got gum
Basta
stuck in
kid,
it. That's
ano
it.
lang ako. Manicure. Kasi nga, meron kaming parlor
Foot and
before.
hands pa.
Chill.
Yung.
I can help out with the spa. The spa.
Alam ko.
Edward.
Yung.
Ah, so.
Oh, pero I think nakaano yan tayo, parang ninja
Mark,
Oh,
we just take off our shirts, okay? And
yung mga tao.
hello, my name is Enrique.
Hindi.
Hindi kasi noon
Who's
may
Edo?
restaurant.
You.
Makeup! Mga tao.
Me
Kisses.
Oh, as in, totoong.
Oo. Lahat.
No.
Ang dami.
makeup.
Wait,
You want?
you're putting your feet,
And
hair, makeup, and everything else in the
Mahal
hands of
yan
a
ang
bunch of
haircut mo
teenagers.
Makeup.
This could
Pero-
go horribly wrong.
Foot and hands pa. Yan. Mga...
Ay, sino sa hot oil? Eh, kung wala niya.
Anong hot oil?
Sino si Edo?
Kisses.
Si Edward.
Yung hot oil,
Edo.
ilalagay mo
Edo.
sa kanila. Oo, nilalagay
lang nila sa...
If walang gusto, okay. Kisses na lang daw hot oil hair spa.
What's hot?
They put the cooking oil on the hair, then they fry it. And then,
And then it's crispy.
crispy.
Fried hair.
It's ukoy! The hair is gonna be ukoy.
Teka.
I'm dead.
Manicure, pedicure.
Ate,
Yeah, I'll probably cut their nails too short and they'll be angry.
Pero, hindi ako marunong yung gano'n na yung
yun sa side.
nasasagot, yung sugat-sugat.
Gusto ko sana, pero wala pa na yun. Cleaning lang naman, ano?
Hindi, Besh, including yan kasi
Yeah,
cleaning yung
yeah.
side.
It's included in manicure, pedicure.
Like cleaning their nails and their feet, not cleaning up the place.
Also, good
Hindi
luck
kami
sa may
Ate
mga
Mai.
foot fungus. And
Yeah, please.
Basta
Can you
hindi ko
clean
alam, hindi ko alam yung sa Ingro. Alam mo yun?
Ganun-ganun lang.
I mean,
Pero hindi ko yung sa gilid.
yung may brush sa side.
Yun lang ganun-ganun lang.
so, heaven, you have to.
I have to.
Pwede naman to?
Pwede ako.
Yeah, pwede, pero everyone should have a part.
Doon ako sa hot oil din.
Ako go rin ako sa foot and hands pa.
Yes. Marco should do the foot and hand spa too.
Oh, si Marco na lang.
Yeah, because I think Marco should do it as well.
Yeah, parang people
Marco.
will love
Marco, yeah,
Sir
well,
Hanson. So, no need.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, patingin po.
can we ask? Can we ask for tips or?
Yeah.
Hey, I'll give you my phone number for an extra.
Lima na lang kami ang sa...
Ay, Yong knows eh. So,
Yeah.
Yong will teach you na lang.
I'm not
How
that bad.
to-
Alright, chill.
Yeah.
Vi, pwede po ko sa money. Kay
You
Boko ka
touch
ng...
Pango.
Haircut.
Then I'll make sure to
Doon na lang ako.
make sure I
Pwede
say
na
hello to
haircut.
your little friend.
Haircut.
Ano ka kung manicure? Uy.
Manicure, pwede.
Ay, oo. Kabalo. Kabalo ka ka ng ingro-ingro.
Young and I will work together a lot. So.
Madami kaya? Kung madami, pwede lang.
Pero
Kung
pwede
kailangan,
sa
pwede
style,
pa.
di ba?
Kung madami. Pwede pa ako sa hair. Hot oil.
Actually, pwede ko talaga.
Ano?
Kasi kung ganun ka
Oo nga, tulong-tulungan.
Sabi mo.
Ito yung ano lang, parang kailangan lahat may part na
Sige,
rin.
wala ako dun sa hot oil.
Tulungan na ba?
Ay, manicure. In case na kailangan niya ng tulong. Parang ganun.
What's weaker?
Sa'yo ko kasi si Ate
So
Mami.
did everyone have...
Kasali ka sa mga school
mahina.
dito kami ba?
Like if after massaging someone.
So here's...
Kayo dalawa.
Vibe, ikaw, saan ka?
Is the
Wala
person?
pa. I mean, I can switch.
Ang lakas.
Ang lakas ng ulo.
Si Rita takot sa kulo.
Sinungaling ka na.
Okay, ito.
Best friend.
Ano,
Kasi
seryoso
pala mabilis tayo sa ganyan. Kasi 20K.
Oh, what do we name it?
mabilis talaga dapat.
Ano?
Although, pag
So we will
mabilis,
meet
it won't
people.
be, it won't be maganda.
May isipan
So we will
Yeah, I
meet
don't think they
people.
expect amazing from us, but
Yeah.
Ilan na ba tayo? 1, 2, 3, 10, ba? Aray.
So in hairstyle, what must we do?
Meron kami part
Yung sa'yo,
pangalan, Elsa.
ano yun? Yung cut.
Salon. Galdelo na.
Yung side na ganun-ganun chuchu.
yun, di ba?
Berna Lizel, anak niya. El sila lahat.
Ahit Ecrouge.
Tapos si Papa Joe.
Ano may pangalan?
Yung anak niya malaki Joe.
Putulin mo nandito
Sa J,
muna.
lahat
Parang
lalaki.
may machine na ganun.
Buti mo eh, babalik.
Sumubok
Para
kay Papa
makastyle.
Hindi galit ng naman tuloy. Ikaw.
Pag mahaba yun dito, puputol ba yan?
Ka nag-galit.
Ano ko nang galit?
Baway mo ko.
Grabe.
Yeah, kung gusto nyo tumulong and then,
If
but,
they
also
need
to do
help,
with that.
yeah,
ask for
pag
help. Do you
pag
offer?
maraming
No, something like any
Which is
working with this area.
expected.
Christine,
braid.
braid.
Undercut.
Braid, tapos,
Blade.
bal.
And ano pa?
Kung may curl, yun, curl straight. Turuan mo ako mag-curl para
Sige.
mabilis na naman yun, di ba?
Uy, I want to help yung yung mga machine sa
Yeah.
Braiding, curling, ganun.
Si Maymay, cut rin.
Cut.
Ay,
Bakit yun napunta kay Vibery yan?
Kasi yung buhok
Bukan ko yung gano'n.
Kasi siguro boyish yung vibe niya sa parang...
Vibe, lagay mo rin sa akin yung hair braiding tapos yung curly.
Guys, name ng salon.
Wait, wala. Tapos mo na natin.
Los Polios Hermanos.
wait. Irons.
Yun, iron.
Apex. No.
Ironing.
Gusto ko manicure din.
Marco, every time. This is our dream, man.
My
We have a
eye.
chance.
Ate
We can
Maymay.
finally open our
Cutting.
store where we compliment them, feed
For
them,
girls
and massage them at the same time.
Oh yeah, with Arizona. That was your first ghost.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
Edo,
Pwede kitang
Yes.
tulungan doon sa mga
What?
braid.
For ball.
What do you mean waxing their hair?
For dog.
waxing.
Cutting.
Waxing. Oh, Alexa.
Poker face.
5,000 each, so tapos
Lagay ng cutie.
feel ko nandyan yung
Yung-
presyo.
Wait, Marco will do the hair waxing with me.
Mura lang talaga.
Pero dapat for the...
Because Marco, I need to consult Marco if it looks good or not.
Pahirapin niya ng konti.
And then, I can do it undercut
So
and
dapat...
shave.
Ha! Gusto niya
Hair.
ganito. Ala, ang ganda na ito.
Hair
Try niya.
Cut.
Cut. Hindi, promise, pag ano yung pag-try niya, ganito, ganyan. Sige na, big phone number.
Then, foot end.
Feel ko ngayon na tayo magsisimula.
Oo.
Sana.
Magsisimula na yan.
Oh, sana.
I'm, ano na.
Cut.
Guys, sana wala tayong
Wait, may
masugat.
nomination tayo today, so.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be today. I think we get to prepare today, but
No, please.
Put in yung.
young, yeah,
Yung
self-explanatory really. It's just
alam mo,
massage,
Yung salt
massaging them.
nilalagay sa hand.
Young, you teach me how to do feet, okay? Because I don't know how to do feet.
Pwede
Yung mga salt,
mag-manicure. Lagay ng
Sa paa.
nail polish. Gusto ko.
Yung milk
Alam
salt.
mo?
Oh, can we put cucumbers on their eyes just for events?
Yung nakagano sila. No?
Hello.
Massage, same as young.
Viber, pwede maglagay din
No.
ng nail polish.
Hindi nila ako sa ahit-ahit chuchu yung ano.
It's just
yung ganyan-
basically
yung
young
ganyan
times
vibes.
two.
Tsaka yung tsk-tsk-tsk.
Ay, wait. What if we can pluck their eyebrows?
It's gonna take too long. I don't think we
I
should
can
offer
do
that.
it.
Hindi, siya, kasama na sa makeup yun.
Oo. Makeup.
Kasi sa ibang salon separate yung
Marco lang.
shaving of dagdag kita
After mo ng hair. Oo.
Dagdag kita kung
So, ilagay natin sa ilalim ng makeup yung ahit ng kilay.
Guys,
Extra.
Guys,
Extra.
pati yung shaving under rin sa styling kasi
Yeah,
pagkatapos
it's
nila
already part of it.
Wait, kailangan
Vibrate?
din ng ano.
When we have the salon, can we put the foot and hand spa
Sino
after
magaling
the
sa
manicure?
Viber here?
Accountancy ang course ko po.
No,
I thought it's before.
Pero kailangan
Yeah, no,
Same
guys.
kayo.
What if someone wants a manicure
Same kayo
and then
ni
afterwards they
Matt.
want a massage?
Yeah.
Can we put the manicure
No,
first?
I'm
Yeah,
gonna...
I think
No,
that-
I
So,
want to
like,
take
some
a
guy
break
was
from my
waiting in line
course.
for like 3 hours.
Same. Si Mama.
I need a break from my
And then
Someone who loves math should do it.
I
Yeah.
hate math.
Who
Makeup.
loves math?
give me a language. I'll do
I
it.
love but I don't know how.
accountancy course niya.
Fancy. Hindi, tapos pag para hindi tayo mawala, pati keep track tayo sa ating mga customers, i-list down natin.
No, I don't wanna...
Christine, you should
Later,
get
pag
that.
tapos mo
It's actually just simple math. So anyone who loves
Vibery.
math, loves adding
Sa makeup,
things.
lagay mo yung, yung tawag.
Asawa na
Kilay,
ako
tsak, tsak, tsak.
mag-calculate.
Chok, chok.
Yung pag-ahit mo ng
Plucking.
kilay.
Marco, makeup.
Actually, hindi plucking yung ano na lang.
Marco, makeup.
Ahit. Oo.
Mas madali yun.
Marco, makeup.
Sa makeup?
Marco, makeup.
Oh, si Marco kasi yung nilagay si yung one
There
vegan.
must be a sign.
Heaven.
Napatay na
Ano sa...
Kilay.
Customer.
Pag-ahit ng kilay.
Akala ko si Marco gagawa.
Sa girl.
Shave ni Marco.
Bless you.
Lalaki yung kain niya.
Sa lalaki ka.
Hindi, pati dapat pag lalaki.
Alam mo
Girl,
yung
girl,
kilay kung
boy to
paano.
boy.
Ako, sige.
Ah, ikaw sa girl, sa boy.
Yeah, I think the makeup should be mainly girls.
Lug yung kalbo.
Pero I don't think may magpapapluck ng buhok sa lalaki.
Guys, should we put Marco in brackets though? Because
shave.
he's doing a lot. And like the...
Pwede na lang.
I want to
Yeah.
help
Me, I'm
nail
doing
polish.
3. Hairstyling,
It's a good thing, but
cutting,
haircut-
and manicure.
We'll have
I'm
we'll be
doing
versatile.
Kasi feeling ko wala madaming
Hand spots not gonna be
magpapa-makeup.
quick, you know?
Vibery.
Neither is
More
the-
on haircut than styling ng buhok.
Alam mo yun sa girls, ang dami ko nakikita sa Facebook.
yung
Yung mga style,
sa
yung may ganon, may yung binugat.
May mga
So, si
flower
Marco
flower
na.
dito.
Guys, Viber's talking.
Yes, bye.
I'm not talking though. Continue.
Have a fun.
Finish. Great. Finish.
After no swimming, so like no big.
Vibrate, nail polish
Sa
ako.
arms.
Bread.
Then makeup.
Sa makeup.
Eyebrows for boys and shave.
Wait.
Inuubos mo yung pabango ko, huwag mong amuyin.
Ay, grabe.
There's a hole.
Kisses your makeup. What's...
Makeup, nail polish, tapos... Paano kung mga artista?
Makeup talaga.
No, I shouldn't
Put
expect.
your
Ate, para mas feel ka wag. Kasi baka... Iba yung mga... Oh my
Ayoko
gosh.
ng artista. Then suddenly shaved all of their eyebrows.
Surprise! You remember me.
Ano shave?
Hindi, ganito hindi
Yeah.
dito para
That's
charity.
it. Eyebrow.
Problemado ka sa buhay mo, tapos ikaw magano ng kilay shaving.
Oh, shaving.
Yeah.
Finish. Makeup everything.
Oh, ako rin naman.
Shaving everything.
Ate,
Tuturuan kita?
oh, mamaya. Sino yung model?
No problema. Malaki na po. Anong style gusto niyo? V?
Wait. Di ba yung makeup maraming parang yung fierce?
Tuturuan ko.
Ano, iba-iba ng pressure.
Siya, alam
What
mo
if a
yan.
guy sits down and is like making
Makeup
mistakes?
different.
Smoky.
Alam mo yun. Smoky.
Oo, smoky, tapos...
Yung ginawa ko kay
Tayo na lahat, girls dyan. Parang,
Yung ginawa ko kayo, mahal niyo yun.
black yung eyeshadow.
Yung makeup ginawa ko sa'yo, mahal
Grabe,
niyo.
parang hindi kaibigan, patay.
Grabe, nilagyan niya si Yung. Hindi mo na nakita yung totoong mukha niya. Parang ganito kakapal yung makeup na nilagyan ni Marco.
Tatakbo na yung customer.
Yung,
Hey, you
yung
guys
makeup
also
ni
makeup
Kuya
on the
Makoy,
ball.
yung
You guys
bilog
know
na
what's
makeup ni Kuya Makoy, may botas na sa gitna dahil kay Marco. Grabe, boy.
Nagbe-makeup si Kuya Makoy.
Kasi pag sa mga
Screening.
kisses, hot oil, or hair spa?
Hair spa.
Hot oil.
Tulong ako dyan, hot oil. Madali lang hot
pareho
oil
lang
eh.
sobra. Lalagay mo lang. Pareho lang naman.
Massage lang siya.
Both.
lisod.
Ivory.
Po?
Hair spa, hot
Really
oil.
the best. Diba?
Oh.
You're the best leader.
Paano ba hair
Product
spa?
lang yan.
Ayan,
Product lang yan.
Everyone can do this.
ulo.
No.
Ganun din yung sa hot oil.
You don't like
Funny.
Alan, ha?
So funny, Marco. You're so funny. You're so funny. You're so funny.
Heaven both?
Yep. Pero hindi, hot oil na lang. Hot oil.
I'm
Dali
serious,
lang
what
hot
do they
oil.
do with the hot oil?
You put it in your hair.
They just put it in your hair, what if it burns you? Like,
No, it won't.
Then you become...
warm.
And then,
No, it's cold. Actually, it's cold.
hot oil or hair spa or both?
How is it hot oil if it's cold?
I mean, your feeling is cold.
Oh, so it's like medical. Oh, does not make sense.
Wait.
So, makikita, magkakameron tayo sa bahay ni Kuya.
Here kasi,
20,000 tao?
20,000
Bakit
pesos.
piso lang ang bayad sa'yo pagpaputol ng buhok? Marco, please.
My. Cleaning
I
naman
still
siya.
can't get the difference between please na may
Heaven!
Sarap. Manicure.
Please yung may eat, but sa please na wala.
Please, parang hindi mo makukuha lahat ng tao, hindi mo mawapa.
Buff.
Parang hindi mo mapapakita ng ganon yung sarili mo.
Hindi mo sila ma-entertain
Please.
na parang.
Oo, yun.
Yung please na walang i sa dulo.
Yun yun. Yun.
Hindi, like you can please everyone. May
Oo nga.
i.
Hindi ako
May i.
marunong.
Yung walang i yung dulo.
I know when we do this,
Hindi, ang
there's gonna
please,
be
di
some
ba yung
unhappy.
pwede ba? Please. Gina, please.
Sarap.
Ay, ewan, mahirap.
Mahirap na.
Christian, manicure?
Yung
Go,
cut.
Cut the nails.
Ako nail polish.
Cut off. Ha? Christian?
Trim the nails rather.
Isaw-saw mo yung fingers
Yun na nga yan, manicure na yan.
Nail polish.
Kuya, pwede please exorcism.
Pedicure ka.
Oh, pedicure
Hey, bro,
ka
there's
na.
Arnoldo over there.
Pedicure ka.
Iyak, ayoko ng paa.
Christian, pwede ka na.
Okay.
Ano lang, nail polish lang ako sa kamay.
Bakit? Anong difference sa paa? Ayaw mo humawak ng paa? Ano ba yan?
Nagka-trauma siya kay Ate Mai.
Paano yun? Eh, di magkaiba yung itsura ng
Kamay
nail
pati
polish
paa.
sa kamay tsaka sa paa.
Hindi malay mo ayaw
Oy, Ate Mai,
Alam
ano namang
baka
iniisip
mas
mo?
maninis yung paa ko
Diba?
sa
Ano
kamay.
iniisip mo?
Si ano lahat na lang. Si Christine mo pa rin kita.
Mukha
Are you doing
mo
the
eh.
plane? The
Yeah.
Dinisip kung paano gagawin.
Yung
movie.
nagkalibang.
Ito.
Yak!
And then go.
Ay, sarap ko pa mo.
the best job ever, man.
Yeah. Ever watched B-movie?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The best movie ever. The B became a lawyer.
Oh, that, yeah.
Enrique.
And his friend lost his stinger. And they replaced it with plastic
With like
sword.
the plastic sword from the, yeah.
If I remember it correctly,
God!
it was pink.
Ikaw masugot.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.